It's not going anywhere. What's up, guys? Travis with Sukasa here. I'm putting up a towel ring in this bathroom. And these are the screws and wall anchors that usually come with stuff like towel bars and towel rings and stuff. So this thing, you drill a hole the size of that thing into the drywall, push it in, and then screw your hardware into it. We've all seen towel bars and toilet paper hangers and stuff that are falling off the wall because these things have these tiny little grooves and these tiny little wings that are supposed to grip into the drywall and hold it. And it does when it's brand new, but pulling towels off the wall, pulling toilet paper out, stresses these things and pulls them out. So this is what I use to put these things on, and I'll show you how it works. So I've drilled a 1/2-inch hole right here, and this is called a toggle anchor. So what you do is you flip it this direction, and now it'll push into the 1/2-inch hole in the wall, and then you even it out like that. So this is against the inside of the drywall. You've got all that area that's going to be inside the drywall supporting this towel ring, and then you take one of these screws and you put it through the mounting plate that holds the towel ring to the wall, screws into this guy, and then your kids can use it like a monkey bar and it'll never come off. So let me show you what we do here. I already drilled the hole. So I'm gonna put this guy through the wall like that, and then even out the little plastic tabs so that it's pulled flat against the back of the wall. Slide this little collar up flush against the wall. That holds that anchor in place. Snap these guys off. Take my screw and my wall plate. Like so. They give you this little Allen wrench to tighten this screw up. That's a little screw that tightens it into the bracket to hold it against the wall. Problem is, you only have this much space between the screw and the wall. This thing hits it, so you have to go half a turn at a time. So I use my screwdriver handle with the right size hex bit. And then I can twist it. Make sure it's straight. Looks pretty good. Snug it up. It's not going anywhere. At least not because somebody pulled a towel off of it.